Hello student. In the last session we did some questions. Now today in this session I am taking some more questions for practice. So the first question for this session is, the question is, the line x plus y is equal to a meets the axis of x and y at point A and B respectively. A triangle AMN is inscribed in the triangle OAB, O being the origin, with right angle at N. M and N lie respectively on AB and AB. If the area of the triangle AMN is 3 by 8 of the area of the triangle OAB, then the value of AN is to BN is, and your options are the first 1:3, the second 3:1, the third option is 3:8, and the fourth option is 4:3. Now student, to get the value of AN is to BN, first of all we will draw the figure. According to the question, the line x plus y is equal to a meets the x-axis and y-axis at the point A and B respectively. So the slope of the line is, because equation is x plus y is equal to a, so slope of the line is, it is -1, and hence we will draw the line in this way. This is the line which meet at the point A on the x-axis and at point B on the y-axis. So because this is the x plus y is equal to a, so the coordinate of the point A is a comma 0, and the coordinate of the point B is 0 comma a. Now question says, a triangle AMN is inscribed in this triangle OAB, where O is the origin and M lie on OB and N lie on AB. So A, M is here, N is here, and right angle at N. It means this angle is 90 degree, so this will be N, this will be M, and then we will join A to M so that it becomes a triangle AMN. Now it becomes the triangle AMN. Student, in the question you have to find out AN is to BN, this. So we will suppose here this AN is to BN as something. If you suppose this as K is to 1, if we take, then what you get? Suppose let AN is to BN is equal to K is to 1. It means N is the coordinate, N is the point which divide the line segment AB in the ratio K is to 1. Now we will find the value of K. So using the section formula, the coordinate of N is, so using section formula we will find the coordinate of N, and the coordinate of N is 1:a, and the coordinate of N is 1 into A plus K into 0 divided by K plus 1. So it is 1 into A plus K into 0 upon 1 plus K, comma. Next is for the y coordinate of N, it will be 1 into 0 plus K into A divided by 1 plus K. So finally you will get the coordinate of N as A upon K plus 1 comma ka upon k plus 1. Now student, because the slope of the line AB is already given as -1, so slope of mn is, since slope of AB is -1 and mn perpendicular to AB, so therefore the slope of mn is equal to +1 by using m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So equation of AB is, so equation of mn is y minus y1, and here the y1 is k upon k plus 1 is equal to the slope into x minus x1, and the x1 is a upon k plus 1. So we'll get the equation of this as y is equal to x minus a upon k plus 1 plus ka upon k plus 1. After simplification, we will get k minus 1 upon k plus 1 into a. So this is the equation of mn. So with the help of this equation and with the help of the figure, we can find the coordinate of m. So coordinate of m is what? Coordinate of m is, we'll put x is equal to 0 and we will get the coordinate of m as 0 comma k minus 1 upon k plus 1 upon k plus 1 into a. Now we will use the next condition, that the area of the triangle is given. The area of the triangle AMN is 3/8 of the area of the triangle OAB. So now we will use this condition, and to use this, now we'll find the area. So now we'll find the area. Area of triangle OAB using the half base into height. This is the base and this is the height. This is A and A, so it will be half A square. And now we'll find area of triangle AMN. This is equal to, so by using, because you know the coordinate of A, coordinate of N, coordinate of M, so we can use half into mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2. Now we'll find the area of triangle AMN by using the formula half mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Because you have the coordinate of A, coordinate of N and coordinate of M. So it is equal to half into mod x1, x1 is here A, into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. So here the N, coordinate of N is k by k plus 1 minus k minus 1 A upon k plus 1. So it will be ka upon k plus 1 minus k minus 1 upon k plus 1 into A plus x2. x2, that is the coordinate of N, is k is A upon k plus 1 into k minus 1 upon k plus 1 into A minus y1 is here 0 plus x3. x3, that is the coordinate of M, and the x3 is given here 0. So finally it becomes 0 into y1 minus y2. So y1 is here 0 minus y2 is k upon k plus 1 and then mod. So it becomes finally half into mod a square upon k plus 1 plus k minus 1 a square upon k plus 1 whole square. Now we will simplify by taking the LCM. So it becomes k plus 1 into a square. So it becomes half k plus 1 into a square plus k minus 1 into a square divided by k plus 1 whole square. So it becomes half mod 2k a square divided by k plus 1 whole square. Now according to question, it is given area of triangle AMN is 3/8 of area of triangle OAB. So now we'll substitute all the values. 2 into mod 2k square upon k plus 1 whole square is equal to 3 upon 8 into half a square. So in left side and right side you can cancel out half a square. So you get 2k upon k plus 1 whole square mod is equal to 3 upon 8. So 2k upon k plus 1 whole square is equal to plus minus 3 upon 8. Now you will get an equation in terms of k. But a student, the k is what? K is it is an upon bn. K is the ratio, and from the figure you can see this k will divide, this n is it, this point n is dividing the AB in the ratio k is to 1 internally. So this result can't be equal to a negative number. It means while we solving, we will consider only the positive 3/8. So we will get, after simplifying, an equation. It is 3k square minus 10k plus 3 is equal to 0, and by factorization and then simplification we will get k equal to 3 or 1/3. See student, when we put k equal to 1/3, we will get this coordinate, this part, as a negative number, and hence this coordinate m will lie in this side. It means outside from the OB. So to lie m on AB, the k should be 3, and hence AN is to BN is equal to k is to 1. So it is 3 is to 1, and hence your option number second. The second option is the correct option. Thank you student. In the next session I will take some more questions. Goodbye.